Dinkydoo, and I'm Alicia.
And I'm Michelle, and we're going to talk to you about Art Gallery Fusion's collections. What Art Gallery does is they have a team who pulls prints from different collections across the Art Gallery designer scapes, and they pull different prints and they recolor them to form a new cohesive concept. So this one is Rainforest Fusion, and you can see one of the prints that they've recolored.
We actually have it. It is Maureen Cracknell's Nightfall Fletchings in Aura. So you can see that they have just recolored it to completely match this new theme that they've come out with, which is, of course, Rainforest. So we're also talking about this today because we are going to do a giveaway from one of the lovely bundles we have created for Rainforest Fusions. To win this bundle, you need to like, comment, and share, and you'll get a chance to win this. We will do the draw next Friday and announce the winner.
And you can see all of the fusion prints on our website by just searching fusions.
We'll put in the comments the link to the collection so you can take a look at all of them. Look at this one.
And I like this one.
They're so pretty.
They're so pretty.
So again, make sure you like, comment, and share, and we'll announce the winner next Friday. Thanks so much from Team Dinkydoo.
Good luck.